Hello viewers, this is Jessy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is very popular, shrimp Alfredo pasta. How can you do it at home within 30 minutes? So if you want to know, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Stay with us. To make it, you will just need 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Just fry it for some time and add water. Stir for 5 minutes. Don't worry, it will be gone after some time when it will be cooked. I am adding Parmesan cheese, half cup. If you like more cheesy, you can add it. Adding milk, full cream milk, salt and pepper as per your taste. So I didn't show you the boring part. Boiling pasta, adding 2 cups of pasta, and it's a boiled shrimp. I am adding vegetable as per my taste. You can do it as your taste. Beans, colorful vegetable makes more gorgeous. I will cook it for more 3-4 minutes. After 3-4 minutes it will be fully prepared. Adding some lemon zest only for flavor. If you don't like, you can skip it. My pasta is ready to serve. I'm showing you after serving. Adding spring onion, red chili and oregano as per my taste. If you don't like one of them, you can just skip it. But with all this, it will become more tasty. After seeing this, I am really sure that you are very hungry. If you wanna see lots of more videos, you can check it my channel. You will get lot of more videos like this. And hope you really enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Your subscription is really meant to us. Thank you for watching again. Have a great day. Bye bye.